Yo, I sound terrible, okay?
What's poppin' 10? I'm the pasta 10. All these ends, why you motherfuckers got to be? All this cops again. Eat a box or something. I such a little watch with some rocks or something. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin' 10?
Okay guys, so this wig was sent to me by Celie Hair, and this is their 12-inch 613 lace frontal unit. I'm going to install this unit by using some Bold Hold lace cream, and I did the ball cap method underneath, but guys, it looks very clockish right now. Like, don't even talk about my ball cap underneath because it's a total mess. I didn't have any got to be glue. I didn't have any of the clear one. I used the yellow one, and that shit just looks crazy. So my ball cap looks clockish, so don't even come for me when I take this off. But yeah, this is how the wig looks straight out of the package. It has parting space on the side. You can part it in the middle, which is fire. You can part it on the other side too. It has a decent amount of parting space. I don't know where I'm gonna part it. I was thinking of cutting it, but I think that the 12-inch length is pretty good for me, so I won't cut it. I'll just wear it as is. I wanted to color this unit, but I have not installed a 613 since I started my channel, so I'm gonna like install it, and then maybe in another video I'll color the same hair. But yeah, we're gonna go install this with the quickness and see. Guys, I'm sick. I sound fucking terrible. Like, don't come for me. I sound really bad, but I'm still trying to record this video. I've never installed a 613 unit on myself. I've installed colored units, so let's see how this goes and how it'll go. I sound terrible. Okay guys, so the wig came in this box, which I think is very cute. This box looks like a doll box. All it says is lace wig. This was really pretty. It also came in, you know, the usual clear bag. Oh, it gave me the usual clear bag. I have the wig on, and it came with a I did the I just said I did the bald cap method underneath. It's not like perfect. It's looks fucking ridiculous if you ask me, but guys, I didn't have any of the clear got to be gel, and I used the yellow one, and that didn't really work very well for me. So my ball cap looks very clockish right now, so don't fucking come for me. Like, don't come for me, okay? I said it already. It looks clockish. Yeah, let me take it off and show y'all. Do you see that? That shit looks fucking ridiculous. The yellow got to be glue really messed the cap up, but I don't give, like, no one cares, because once I get this wig on, I think I can finesse it and it won't even show. Like, oh my god, I'm looking in my mirror right there and it looks kind of crazy, but I tried. Listen, I really tried, and it didn't work out how I wanted it to work out. So if you're doing the ball cap method, I can't freaking say cap. If you're doing the ball cap method, like, be sure to get the got to be clear gel and not the yellow one, because it'll look like how mine looks, kind of crazy. Don't use the yellow one. It doesn't like let the thing disappear. And because I have nails on, I couldn't braid my hair down properly. Like, my braids are not flat. Like, my shit looks weird, but I'm the queen of finessing. We wanna finesse us here today, like, deadass. So let me just go cut the lace off, because I see people install their wigs with the lace on. I can't do that yet. I tried that before, it didn't work for me, so I'm just going to cut the extra. Okay, so I cut the lace off. And I used one of those little eyebrow razor things. I don't know if I cut it off good, but that's how it looks. I cut the lace off. The wig has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back. It also has a comb in the middle. and it has adjustable strap. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with my Bold Hold Extreme Cream, and I'm applying my hair in sections. I'm doing the middle first, and then I'm gonna do both sides. So you're going to apply a thin layer across your hairline, well, across your forehead, whatever. You're gonna apply a thin layer and allow this to dry clear. Once it dries clear, then you're ready for your second layer. And guys, I ended up doing 3 layers. So this is my first layer, and now looking back at the video, I think I could have used less because it could have been more clear than that. But that's my first layer. You need like literally 1 drop, and you just use that and you spread that out. And then I went in with a second layer after it was dried, and then this is the clip of me going in with my third layer, and you see it's somewhat clear, but you need to be like clear to apply your hair. But after the third layer, you're going to apply your wig. And you can do like up to 5 layers, I believe, if you feel like it, but I only did 3. So after applying my 3 layers, I'm gonna go in and lay my lace down. And guys, what I learned after doing this video, because I went and I listened to the hair diagram, you should try and pull that lace over the glue so you have less cleaning up. So the next time I do an install, I know I'm definitely gonna pull my lace over the glue completely so I don't have to do that much cleaning up, and I'm gonna line my outline better so I know exactly where to put my glue. Okay, so once you lay your lace down, be sure to line it up and not press it in your skin, because if you don't press it in your skin, you can literally lift it up and readjust it. And I was at first like pressing it in, but then I didn't think it was lining up right, and I had to take it up. As you can see, it won't harm your hair either. You can take it up still and then readjust it, and then when you're sure that's where you want it, that's when you press it in your skin. And then guys, for the sides, I'm gonna go in and add my 3 layers just as I did on the middle. So I'm going to just measure my sides out, and then I'm gonna add my 3 layers. Well, you're gonna add 1 and then allow it to dry, and then do your other quotes. And as I said, you can do up to 5. That's what the hair diagram says. You can do up to 5. So I'm literally doing 3. After the third layer has completely dry, I'm going to go in and just attach my lace. And guys, as I said, you can place the lace down, but don't press it in your skin. So if you need to lift it up and readjust it, you are able to do so. But if once you like really press that in, then it's gonna start setting. So as you can see, well, you will see that I will lift the lace up more than once even after I lay it down, because I wasn't satisfied with where it was. But yeah, the glue won't damage your hairline as long as it's not like set into your skin. Like right there, I set that part, as you can see. But like the edges and well, not the edges, the sides and stuff, I kept readjusting it because I didn't like where it was placed. But just be careful not to press it in your skin before you're satisfied with the placing. And guys, what I learned as well watching this video again, when I do my hair in the future, I will make sure to have my lace in front of the glue so you have a less cleaning up and stuff like that. And even at the end of the video, because I was rushing, I had to go to work, guys, I didn't clean around the lace that much, so I still had a bit of a like shine where the glue had dried. But even though I didn't get to do like the perfect install, I think I did pretty amazing for my first time installing a 613 wig. And guys, I posted this on my page. I posted the video of the hair in the hair diagram, the creator of Bold Hold, like she commented and said my hair looks amazing. So guys, I'm really on cloud 9. I think I did an awesome job. And as well, once you have the glue down, you need to go in with your Got2b and just like slightly spray the lace. You could spray it on your finger and then just dab it, because that's really easier and you'll have less cleanup. As I tell you, I learned a lot after doing the actual lace that I won't repeat the same mistakes. So you can spray it on your hand and then just take your finger and dab it in, and this will make that lace disappear. Like, it'll make it really transparent. Glued everything down and I'm pretty satisfied with it. I'm gonna tie it with one of my wrap strips just to let it set a little bit, and then I'm gonna just do a little makeup and come back and style the hair with you guys. So I'm back, some makeup, I look alive, and guys, I'm doing this voiceover after I got better, thank God. I don't sound like that anymore. I'm literally doing like a little center part. I didn't pluck any of the hairs to let it be like really defined. Nah, I just let it have like a natural looking part. I didn't do anything crazy. And I literally went in with my flat irons and just straightened the hair a little bit. I didn't cut it, I didn't do anything. And that's really basically it. That's how I wear the hair. And guys, I really love my install. I think I did amazing. Let me know down below how you feel, and let me know if you'll be checking this hair out. This hair is amazing. It's really full. It barely shed and it took to the flat irons really well. Let me know if you want to see like more videos like this, guys, and I'll definitely catch you in my next one. And if you haven't subscribed already, like, what are you waiting on? Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.